I'm now going to set up a theoretical VDS wireless network using an emulator. So firstly, I created the VDS staff, which the general population or the general employees would be using. It has WPA2, which enterprise, which protects data and has a more developed login process. The encryption, of course, I used AES, which is a advanced encryption method, which would help ensure that all data and sent across the network is not intercepted, edited, or modified or deleted as it travels from its sender to recipient. This is just an example. We put the transport power as middle as we didn't want to overload the network with and device with power. And channel we've selected as auto as we did not want the channel to be set to a specific channel in case any nearby buildings or other networks use the same channel, which could cause clashes in the bandwidth and the channels. Therefore, having an auto means it can update and change itself so that it can be the most efficient. I then set up the guest network, which I selected as 5G. It does not have access to any of the internal servers and data, but will allow the guest to connect to the internet and use other websites. It has both these have complicated passwords, such as UN5723_32 or VDS GU3ST_746278. These are harder to crack as they are not vulnerable to dictionary attacks, and they don't use real words. And brute force attack will take longer as it uses a combination of alphanumeric and characters and symbols. I then enabled a final and third VDS staff high for higher level staff that perhaps deal with the most sensitive data. And again, they would have their own encryption and password. And this one's this password here is a lot more advanced. And again, we wanted the most efficient, so we selected channel as auto.